Right, and do some cough candy cider and pear drop. Here we go. Let's get it in. This one. Four litres of orange juice in that one. Oh, spill it everywhere. Fucking love this shit. Fucking love it. Well, unfortunately, I've got nothing else brewing at the moment, so these will be like only two I've got on the go. 3. And last one, number 4. Oh no, it really is going tits up. Number 4. This one is my cough candy. Now, I'm not going to lie, we're supposed to cool it down. However, I don't care. So that's 100 grams of crushed cough candy melted in ½ a litre of hot water. Beautiful. And this one, again, 100 grams, but this is pear drops in ½ a litre of water. Boiling hot water straight out the kettle. Just stir it with a fork. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look at them little bits in the bottom that ain't quite melted. Da-da-da-da. Professionally measured out cider yeast. This one is Bulldog cider yeast. And when I say professionally measured, I mean, well, it's in the demi-john, isn't it? Yeah, nearly half, a bit more. That's one. 2. Beautiful. Obviously, sterilise all your shit. So, is that one in? Touch of water. That will do. Cap on. Ram it in there. Oh look, that's beautiful. Again, a little bit of water. That'll do. Put it on. Ram that bad boy in there too. Give it a quick stir. Someone asked me the other day actually, do I mix it up before I put it in? I don't, I just give the demi-john a stir. There you go. Goes up and turn in. There you go, the other one's in. And there we have it. Cough candy and peardrop cider. Job's a good one. I'll give you the results in 2 weeks.